everyone, welcome back to my channel. As I'm gonna show you 3 types of party hairstyles by using this zigzag stretchy headband. So for my first hairstyle, as I'm going to show you an unique bunny style by using this zigzag headband. For it, I will make a high ponytail at first by using this double hair tie for an extra hold. After tying the hair ties, I will smooth out the front portion by using a rat tail comb. Now by gathering all of my ponytail's hair, I will flip them to the front, and by using a comb, I will comb my hair nicely. After combing my hair, I will put that headband just like the way I am showing it, and then I will lock it at the back of my back neck. After locking it, I will now flip back all of my hair to my back. As a result, you will get this kind of front look. As again, by combing them nicely by using a rat tail comb, now I will try to make a twisted bun with my leftover hair just above the headband locked position so that it helps to hide the visibility of the stretchy headband. Now to clip my bun, I will be using some jumbo bobby clips. At the end, I will just try to spread some of my hair to hide the remaining portion of the headband. As I am going to use 2 U-pins to pin up at both of my sides. And finally, I will try to lose some of my front hair portion. As you can see, it looks like a lot like a retro bunny style. To accessorize this style, I am using a fancy headband. So this is the final look of my unique bunny style by using a zigzag stretchy headband. Now for my second hairstyle. This time I am going to show an open hairstyle. By using a teasing comb, I will back comb all of my front hair at first. I'm doing this hairstyle only for this video, that's why I'm not using any hairspray. But in your case, you must use hairspray for this style if you want to keep it up for a long time. After a hard teasing, now I will smooth it out by using the same comb. you can see how voluminous my front hair is looking. So now I will put the headband just at my front. By adjusting some of my front hair, I am done with this hairstyle. As you can see, my back hair is looking voluminous and my front hair is looking a little tight. So this is how this hairstyle looks like. Now for my third hairstyle. This time I am going to show a half-up hairstyle, as I will try to gather all of my teased hair at the back of my crown area. And after smoothing out by using a rat tail comb, then I will try to make a big back puff style. Now to clip it, I will be using 2 jumbo bobby clips, as I will clip it as a way so that my bobby clips gets hidden inside the puff. So this is the final look of my third hairstyle, and with it I have completed all of my 3 types of party style by using a zigzag stretchy headband. Hope you liked all 3 of them. So if you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So bye and see you next time.